because that's pretty much the same, other than the cardboard. That's pretty much what's floating out there. You know, it's just rubbish, but all the plastic, stuff like that, straight through the granulator. All the lightweight plastics get converted into oil for pyrolysis plants. Heavy plastics granulate, and all the wood and bio is just biomass fuel pellets. But that's a good thing, got no heavies. I haven't got heavies.
Scrap as well.
Yeah, I haven't put anything in for scrap on ours. I know we'll get cable and I know there'll be metal and aluminium, but I've just based everything really on plastic and wood. So it'll fit on the ship easy.